and welcome back to our channel Course Connect. We get a lot of questions on daily basis. A lot of you were asking whether to go for an online MBA or a regular one. Questions like, do we get placements in online MBA? Is the value of online MBA is same as regular MBA? So today we'll discuss about the difference between online MBA and regular MBA, their benefits, fee structure and eligibility criteria. So do watch this video till the end to know the difference between online and regular MBA. So let's start with regular MBA. It's a structured 2 years course with fixed semester or trimester content. So in regular MBA, you study in a classroom and have hands-on experience, and you also interact with teachers and seniors. You also enjoy the campus life with sports and cultural activities. So it provides a comprehensive and deeply engaging learning journey. So now online MBA, it also a 2 years programs but with more flexibility. Classes can happen at different times. It can be live on platforms like Zoom, or you can watch the recorded session. This flexibility allows you to study at your own pace, often on weekends or at night. However, with an online MBA, you might not get to meet or connect with many people or experience the campus life or have hands-on experience on internships like regular MBA provides. The fees are very different in regular MBA. If the fee starts from 5 lakhs to 15 to 20 lakhs, here in online MBA, the fees starts from 60,000 to 2.5 lakhs. The worth of the degree is similar to regular MBA both in the market as well as in the companies. In online MBA, the process of taking admission is very easy. Like go to any college website, apply on their online MBA programs, submit some documents, there may be an interview, and yes, the admission is done. Whereas in regular MBA, there will be exams like CAT, MAT, XAT, and there will be group discussions and personal interview. There is a complete test and process, but it is very easy to do online MBA program in today's date. There are a lot of universities and colleges are providing online MBA programs. There are known brands like Amity, Manipal, IIM, DY Patil and many more. Apart from this, distance learning programs are also available. You can check the eligibility criteria, fee structure, everything on the college websites. Regular MBA has some good things. You can meet and connect with teachers and seniors. You can do internship, visit real businesses, and you can work on short projects. You can grow in different ways by taking parts in cultural and sports activities. Benefits of online MBA: flexibility in class timing, less fee compared to regular MBA. Admission process is very simple. So if you have time and money, or you can commit 2 years to the program, then you can go for regular MBA. If you are in a remote location or you are facing some financial difficulties, then you can opt for an online MBA. Both have their merits. Choose as per your priorities, resources and your career goals. Check eligibility, fees and details on college websites. I hope this helps you decide whether to go for online MBA or regular MBA. Please share this video with your friends who might get help from this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.